What are some tools you can use to help thicken your hair or prevent hair thinning or hair loss? I got a couple for you today. Dawn, your natural hormone balancing specialist, doing a short series on hormones and hair. Now, we talked about when stress hormones go up, it decreases microcirculation to the scalp, which is not going to be good because you're not going to get the nutrients there or the fertilizer there for the plant or the hair strands to actually grow, right? So we talked about some of these you do. Simple thing in the last video, just massage the scalp, loosen up that fascia. If you can't take your head and you can't move, mine doesn't move very much, I'm not a good example here, then you know that your fascia is tight. Okay, that's a test we showed you. So here's a couple of things. You can go as simple as, I got this at Sephora, okay? It's just, I don't even know what you call it, just a hair massager. It feels really good. And oh my gosh, you just do it on your head like this and do it right. You can do it, I do it like every day or every other day, but you can do it just before you wash your hair, maybe every 2 or 3 days, something like that, or even once a week. But that's super inexpensive. Anybody can afford that, okay? So that's just a hair massager, and it's rubber. You don't want anything too rough, so it's going to be soft. The other one, oh my gosh, it's my favorite. I'm not getting paid for this because I'm not big enough yet. Anyway, but called Scalp Hero. Let me tell you, it feels like someone's fingers, right? So this actually has red light therapy in with it too, which I'll talk about in a minute. And let me turn it on here. And then it has the massage. So it's like little fingers. Oh my gosh, I do this and I'm like, I am in heaven. This is one of the best scalp massages I've had. So that's going to be good. I don't remember the exact price, but I'll tell you it's worth it because it feels wonderful. It's going to lower your stress hormones, but also help your actual hair growth because it's stimulating and it's going to be probably do a lot better than just the regular massager. Last thing is red light therapy in general, okay? This, I'm not going to get into brand names. There's a million of them. You can get baseball caps, which seem soft, and you wear them around with a pack, like a battery pack. There's helmets. They don't seem as comfortable. There's brushes, which is what this is. If you just want to watch TV and just slowly move it over the scalp. Red light therapy, the biggest thing it does, there's a lot of clinical research on it, but it increases circulation. And that's what we're trying to do. If we don't get the circulation there, the best vitamins that you're taking, the essential oils that you're putting on, the treatments, topical treatments aren't going to work and get in. And there's a lot of ones out there. But like I said, I don't think very many people talk about the tightening of the connective tissue of the fascia. And the first time I used red light therapy as a professional one, it actually gave me a headache because my fascia was so tight that the circulation was trying to open up and it couldn't get in there. So again, anything that you can do that increases circulation, and these are just a couple of simple tools. In the next couple of videos, we're going to talk about the strands of the hair and how to take care of that, and then also talk about specifically hormones and diet.